Greetings to all. This is Shrilita, scholar, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Usmania University, India. So today I'm going to present on a presentation on extension survey of deep learning based crop yield prediction models for precision agriculture. My paper ID is 01. I'm pursuing my research under the guidance of Professor Sudha Palluri, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Usmania University. The abstract. Precision agriculture, which has become a trademark, has assured to reform agricultural practices using monitoring and intervention technologies to increase productivity and decrease the environmental impact. Computer vision and deep learning models are commonly used as key enablers for precision agriculture. Computer vision technologies utilize digital images for the interpretation and understanding of the world to offer precise region-oriented details about the crops and their respective surroundings. Today, computer vision has been widely employed to support precision agricultural process like crop yield prediction, crop monitoring, weed control, plant disease detection, weed detection, etc. Crop yield prediction is a significant process for decision making at the national and regional levels. Several machine learning and deep learning based models have been presented for accurate crop yield prediction. The major aim of the review is to identify, group, and discuss the existing intelligent agricultural approaches. The existing methods are surveyed based on the underlying techniques, objectives, dataset use, and accuracy. The outcome of the survey pointed out the significance of applying the deep learning models for crop yield prediction in precision agriculture. Coming to the introduction, crop yield is one of the significant points to be considered in agriculture. Yield prediction is highly a difficult process in the precision agriculture, which is essential for crop market planning, harvest management, crop insurance, and yield mapping. The crop yield is influenced by several aspects like management practice, crop genotype, and environments. The crop genotype has been enhanced dramatically for many years by seed companies. Environments, which are varying temporally and spatially, contain large effects on location to location and year to year differences in crop yield. In these environments, precise yield prediction is more useful for worldwide food production. Import and export decisions in time could be carried out depending upon precise yield prediction. Farmers can make use of the yield prediction for creating financial decisions and knowledgeable management. But effective crop yield prediction is extremely complex because of several composite aspects. For instance, genotype and environmental aspects frequently have interaction with one another. It creates yield prediction a difficult process. Several researchers have been concentrated on describing the phenotype as an environment interaction, that is G into E, and the explicit function of genotype G. Environmental aspects like weather factors frequently contain composite nonlinear effects that are complex for precise estimation. A widespread method for studying the G into E interaction effects is to recognize the interaction and the effects of huge environment instead of additional detailed environmental elements. The process involved in deep learning based precision agriculture. The figure shows an overview of process involved in deep learning based precision agriculture. The yield data, weather data, soil data, and management data can be considered for crop modeling. Once a crop is modeled, we can predict the yield, we can predict the flowering, we can predict the biomass, and we can predict the water stress, etc. by using the deep learning techniques. The deep learning can give us the accurate yield prediction. Deep learning methods have been utilized for crop yield prediction compared to general machine learning models that have a single hidden layer. Deep learning techniques with many hidden layers determine better performance, but the deeper methods are very complex for training process and need more advanced hardware and optimization methods. Deep learning, an extended version of machine learning, adds more depth to the models and transforms the data utilizing several functions which enable hierarchical data representation by different stages of abstraction. Motivation for this literature research is in the agricultural sector, deep learning is utilized to improve the yield and the quality of crops. Precision agriculture aims to boost crop yield and profitability while reducing the amount of traditional inputs required to cultivate crops. To put it another way, precision agriculture producers use less to grow more. Farmers and growers can also help with yield prediction in making financial decisions and management. In the review of existing deep learning based crop yield prediction algorithms, most widely used algorithms are deep reinforcement learning, Bernoulli deep belief networks based on artificial neural networks, interval deep generative artificial neural networks, rough autoencoders, artificial neural networks, random forest, gradient boosting, self-organizing map, K nearest neighbor, and DCCN, that is deep convolutional neural network. In crop yield prediction, environmental factors plays an important major role, which includes climatic conditions, temperature, rainfall, vegetative index, soil type, texture, and nutrients. Based on the environmental factors, the deep learning techniques will give the prediction value. The prediction can be of two types. There are classification or regression. Classification can be to identify in which classes the crop growth falls. For example, classes such as well-grown, medium-grown, and undergrown. The another type is regression, where it will give numerical estimated value. So that value of the percentage for the estimated crop yield can be obtained. The table demonstrates the comparative study of the reviewed crop yield prediction models. So the deep recurrent learning, the accuracy is 93.70 and MAP is medium average precision error is 17. So these are all the technologies of deep learning algorithms which has been considered for accuracy and MAP from the references. So from the figures, the analysis of these particular accuracy, if I just considered from the figure, it is evident that self-organizing map K nearest neighbor model has accomplished poor results with an accuracy of 58.99%. Simultaneously, the artificial neural networks and rough autoencoders models have reached moderate results with accuracy of 90.5% and 90.7% respectively. Concurrently, the IDA, BAN, and GL models have accomplished reasonable accuracy of 91%, 91.7%, and 91.85% respectively. Though the BDN model has appeared as a near optimal performer with an accuracy of 92.1%, the presented deep reinforcement learning model has offered effective performance with an accuracy of 93.7%. From the figure, it is clear that the CNN model has accomplished worse results with MAPE of 8.8% in line with DRL, BDN, and BAN techniques have achieved somewhat higher performance by offering a MAPE of 17%, 20%, and 27% correspondingly. Rough autoencoders and artificial neural networks techniques have accomplished reasonable mean average precision error of 32% and 38% respectively. But the gradient boosting model has appeared as a near better performer with a map of 41%. The random forest technique has offered effective performance with a map of 53%. Conclusion and future work. This survey has aimed to investigate the works related to the domains of deep learning and crop yield prediction in the precision agriculture. The study aims to perform a review to identify, group, and discuss the excellent, intelligent agricultural approaches. The existing methods are surveyed based on the underlying techniques, objectives, datasets used, and the available datasets. The outcome of the survey pointed out the significance of applying the deep learning models for the crop yield prediction in the precision agriculture. For getting the insights, existing works have been investigated under the different aspects. The outcome of the survey pointed out the significance of applying deep learning models for crop yield prediction in the precision agriculture. A detailed result analysis was also performed to highlight the particular characteristics of the reviewed models, and a brief comparative study was also made. As a part of the future scope, an advanced deep learning with meta-heuristic optimization algorithm based crop yield prediction models can be designed to gain better accuracy. There's various references which are quoted here for this study. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all.